Okay, we're almost there, but like, man, look at that view. Beautiful. So I'm hoping when we get to the top, it's going to be less foggy than that, because you can't even see the aerial right now. It genuinely feels like yesterday that I was recording and editing the Goodbye 2023 video, and here we are recording the Goodbye 2024 video. You all probably think I'm bonkers, but I really love the fact that YouTube gives me the excuse to bring this stool all the way up to the peak over there, just for the sake of it. So you're probably wondering why I decided to bring this stool all the way up to the top of this mountain. For my final video of the year, I wanted to do something that would really push me and live up to the rest of this year, because if I had to sum up this year into one sentence, it'd be never give up, because it just pushed me to my physical and mental limits. I started 2024 off in the depths of my final year project and going to physio for my knee, trying to build it back up again. The exhaustion and frustration from both of those things combined really had me wondering at points, was it all worth it? So I guess that means we're halfway up. Whew. Okay, only a little bit more to go. There it is, you can kind of see the RTE aerial through the clouds now. And it's gone. But I made it through the start of the year. And once we got to the midpoint of the year, I emerged from university with a degree and a slightly stronger knee. And so I started looking for a job. I can't even remember half the jobs I applied for, and I think I'm prepared for interviews for the rest of my life. The more rounds of interviews I got through and more interviews I did, not getting the job at the final hurdle became increasingly frustrating. But unlike during my final year project, I was able to play sport again, and I started playing hockey again, so I could vent my frustration through that. All the work in the gym and with my physio had really started to pay off. Pretty much at the top of it, I have to hold onto my phone with two hands because the wind is just that fast. It's pretty cold. Crossed on the grass up here. I don't know if I'll be able to sit down and record at the top like I originally wanted, just with the wind, and how my camera might absolutely get yeeted. But we're going to get the stool to the top, and then maybe we might start making our way back down and do the video. The second half of this year flew by, and it really did feel like a rapid ascent up to the top of the mountain of 2024. I finally got over the burnout that I'd had since I finished my final year in university and was back making videos consistently. I stopped judging my own ideas before I even let them fully develop, and I stopped feeling so much like I have to be productive every spare minute of the day, and I can actually enjoy some of that free time again. And then the final cherry on the top of 2024, I finally got a job that I will be starting after Christmas. So I am really excited for 2025, and I know there's going to be a bunch of new challenges, but I know whatever they are, I'll take them on and I will get through them. So what I hope you can take from this video is that whatever's happening in your life, whether it's good or bad, it'll pass. Life stands still for no one, and so long as we keep trying, we'll get through it and things will work out the way they're meant to. Really loving the motivation they have written on the road. But we're almost there. Almost there. And that is as far as we can go. Made it to the fucking top. You still can't even really see the big mast, and we're like 200 meters away from it. It's crazy. I'll see you all in 2025. Roll that mother heckin' outro.